Hey, welcome guys. It's the girl Juliana Soul Vlog. I just want to say Happy New Year to each and everyone. So today I'll be unboxing my UBEESIZE tripod stand. Yes. So this is from my bestie. Yeah. I want to say much love and respect. I'm not going to call any name because I know you don't want the names to be called. But you know yourself, baby. So don't mind this on my finger. I got my finger cut. Almost cut off my finger. Can you just imagine? So this is the tripod stand. So there's this little latch that you see here. Turn it like that to open, and hold on, turn it like that, open, and it comes out. Then the legs spread apart, and switch it like that to get it right. So I'm gonna show you the length. For instance, if that you want your phone to lay flat, you do this. I'm just showing you the different ways of elevating your phone on the tripod stand. So like that, you can do it like this, turn it like this, whichever way that suits you, or oh gosh, or you can put your phone like this. And you can, if you have a camera, you can also place your camera on this tripod stand also, so your phone would go like right in here, and you can slant it to whichever angle suits you. To elevate the tripod stand, you go like that. That's one level, that's another, and there. So you can go however tall you want. So I think this is a good stand for you, for all content creators to get. When you finish, you simply close it back up and you're good to go. Easy to tuck away. So remove this. Alright, what I forgot to show you guys, I forget. So for instance, that you want to lean your phone over to that side, you can also go ahead and do so, whichever way that pleases you. So remove this part, and this is the remote for the tripod stand. So you put your phone in and you elevate it to whatever level. This is a little pamphlet that you could use. See, so you read it for instruction. UBEESIZE tripod stand. Yes, it tells you everything about this tripod stand. So after finish using it, I normally put it back. I haven't used it as yet. It also have a level on it, so whenever you put it down, it tells you if where you put the tripod stand, if it's level or you need to adjust the side, adjust it a little bit. Yeah, so that's a bonus. Then I'm gonna put everything back into the bag. Put this back in. So whenever I'm ready to use it. So if I'm going to the beach, or if I'm going out to a function to video or anything like that, I can always draw for my UBEESIZE tripod stand, which is very easy to use. As I said before, guys, you can also join my channel membership, and if you would like me to promote something for you, then hit me up on Instagram, same as Juliana Soul Vlog on Instagram. All social media platform, Juliana Soul Vlog. You can hit me there, and go ahead and check out my second channel, guys, Juliana versus Rick Roll Empire. Yes, that's my channel. So go ahead and check that channel out, and you will be getting a lot more good quality videos. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. Please remember to watch the ads, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Love you all. Bye. Have a wonderful day.
Alright, you know what's the boy the one club me say, guys, I want to go check out the channel here, Juliana Soul Vlogs, and I'm not normal. Just check it out right now, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, all the hot videos over there. So just do the right thing, guys. Support.